Are you tired of scrolling through hundreds of emails to find that one important message? Learn how to star emails in Yahoo Mail and find them instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to star an email, view all starred emails, and remove the star when you're done. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and open up your web browser, head over to mail.yahoo.com, and log in with your email address and password, just like you normally would. So now that you're signed in, you should see your inbox right away. This is where all your incoming messages land. But don't worry, you don't have to be in your inbox specifically. You can actually do this from any folder, like your sent items or a custom folder you've set up. For now, we'll just stay in the inbox, since that's the most common place to start. Now take a look at your list of emails. Scroll through and find the one you want to star. This could be an important message from your boss, a confirmation for a flight, or even a receipt you need to keep handy later. In my experience, this is the step where most people get distracted and start reading emails they don't need to. So just find the one you want and keep your focus there. Here's the really important part. Right next to that email, on the left side, you'll see a small star icon. It's usually gray or a very faint outline. Go ahead and click that star icon one time. That's all it takes. The star will instantly turn a bright, solid color, usually yellow, to let you know that the email has been starred. It's a simple visual confirmation that this message is now marked for quick access. And here's the thing. That yellow star is your new best friend. It tells you at a glance that this email is special. You don't have to remember the subject line or the sender. The star does the remembering for you. I've tested this workflow with hundreds of emails, and it's the fastest way to keep your most important messages from getting buried. So now that you've got a few emails starred, how do you find them all in one place? It's really easy. Look over at the left-hand sidebar in your Yahoo Mail window. You'll see a list of folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Spam. Right there in that list, you should see one that says Starred. Just click on that folder, and instantly all of your starred emails appear. Every single one of them neatly organized and ready for you to read or reply to. No more hunting and pecking through your entire inbox. What if you want to unstar an email? Maybe you've already taken care of it, or it's no longer relevant. That's just as simple. Go back to your inbox or your starred folder, locate that email, and click on the same star icon again. One click removes the star, and it goes back to being gray. The email still exists, but it's no longer highlighted in your starred collection. It's a clean, easy way to declutter that special folder, and that's really all there is to it. You now have a simple system for keeping your most important emails just a single click away. Give it a try the next time you get a message you don't want to lose. You'll be surprised how much time it saves you. Thanks for watching.